Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com here with week 3 of the 60-day income challenge. And so I want to get started real quick here. I'm going to share the numbers for the aggressive account, which we started about 3 weeks ago, and then I'm going to share the current statistics. So at the beginning of the challenge on the 1st of November, our starting balance was $29,146.77. That was the starting balance in the aggressive account. And since then, we've grown it a little bit. Last week's balance was $65,433.96. And then we're going to speak to this week's balance. And I'm going to share my screen and speak to the profits and losses for this week. So this is the dashboard for the week of November 19th through the 27th. And the current balance starting this week, as of right now, is $86,987.48. I'm sorry, $86,987.08, which represents a total profit of $21,533.12 from last week to this. That's a week over week increase of 32.94% and a total return from the beginning of the month to now of 198%, 198.45%, so just under 199% on the account. So this is the statistics for the aggressive accounts for the last week. Our win percentage is 84.62. Profit factors continue to increase, 12.9. So very, very healthy right there. And then percentage of winning days is just under 67%. And we have a positive expectancy of winning. These are some of the trades we closed out on Monday, starting the week off. So total days of trading, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 17 total trading days. 4 of which ended not in profit. So we have 13 out of 17 days that we've been profitable trading this month as far as the aggressive account. So everything's looking really healthy there. And what that leaves us with as far as total profits, if I can get this to readjust, I'm going to try to get this put in here without screwing something up. Well, you can subtract 86,987.08. 29,146.77 from 86,987.08 and get the total profit on here. So, all right, I think it's starting to respond to me now. So let me be patient here. So after this, I'm going to speak to the conservative account and talk about the growth there. And as I mentioned before, the big difference between the two is really the amount of risk per trade that we're taking. The trades are generally the same, but it's just the amount of weight that we put on each of them. So the total profit for the month of November for the aggressive account is $57,820.31. So that's a win percentage overall of 71.43%, a profit factor of 4.12, and 76%, almost 77% of the days we trade, we win. So everything's looking pretty solid there. So I'll go ahead and switch over to the conservative account and share those stats with you as well. So if you're not following along with the challenge, or if you're not trading or getting this kind of income for yourself, I welcome you always to consider joining us and finding a way to allow us to help you with your profit goals as well. So this is the conservative account. We started off at $890,663.51. Last week, the balance was $992,423.30. And I'm going to give us a date range here from I think it was the 11th. I'm sorry, the 18th. Where were we? November. Let me check here. I'll just go ahead and pause. Look over here. Got a little cheat sheet here. The week of the 19th through the 27th. Okay, so the week of the 19th, which is Monday, going to Sunday, closing out yesterday, which was Monday. And the total profit for last week to this is $39,603.26. So week over week, that's a 3.99% week over week increase, and a total return for the month of 15.87% in the conservative account. So last week's numbers say that we had an 84, almost 85% winning percentage last week, profit factor of 13.86%. Every day we traded, 100% of our days were winners, and we have a positive expectancy for our trades. As I mentioned, the trades are similar. So these are the trades that we closed out Monday night. And you can see here that we had only 3 losing days here for the conservative account. So there must have been some trades that were different on the other account, or that were closed out on the other account that weren't a part of this particular program. So that's last week's numbers. And then the total return that we have for the total for the month of November for the conservative account is, and the grand number is 141,363.05. So that's the total profit that we've made in November in our conservative account. No, we started with a larger balance, but I always talk about percentages, because percentages they don't care what your account size is. They just care that you're growing your account. So everything's looking strong. I'm really excited about where we're headed right now. We didn't trade very much over the holiday. So we still, really excited to still have some gains with very little trading taking place. And we'll keep this going and see how everything continues to play out. If you want to find a way to participate in the challenge, shoot me a message. Go to fmtrades.com and send us a message. Or if you just want to continue to follow this, just check out my videos on YouTube and see, my approach to trading and to building cash flow through using the foreign currency markets, which is basically how we create cash flow around here. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy everything that you do today. And happy trading. All right.